अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है साइज ऑफ बैक्टीरिया। दैट दिस इज फ्रॉम 0.1 to 600 micrometer. Smallest bacteria is genus Mycoplasma, 100 to 200 nanometer. Pox virus, largest virus size of largest virus, E. coli, 1.1 to 1.5 micrometer wide, 2.0 to 6.0 micrometer long. Spirochete, this is 500 micrometer. Staphylococcus is 0.75 micrometer. Streptococcus is 1.25 micrometer. Epolo Piscium Fishelsonia is 600 micrometer. Shapes of bacteria. These have three main types. One is called cocci, second is called bacilli, third is called spiral. Cocci. Cocci is spherical or oval-shaped bacteria called cocci. These is occur in divisions. If the division is in one plane, then diplococci occur. Coccus occur in pair called Diplococcus. Streptococcus. Coccus occur in long chain cells called Streptococcus. If division is in two planes, then tetrad is occur. Tetrad is square of four cocci called tetrad arrangement. If division in three planes, then Saracena arrangement occur. Saracena is cube of 8 cocci. If divisions occur in random phases, then Staphylococcus occur. That is irregular grapes-like cluster.